let's test these Christmas lights and see if they work. Ah, bummer. Still a cool piece though. Alright guys, we just got back from the Saugus swap meet, and look at all this stuff that we got. Some cool bottles. I think this is called a Mother's Pride. I think it's a soda bottle. It has the original cap to it. Got a Clorox bottle, some tins, some cool glassware, some advertisement. Back in the day, they used to give you these like little pamphlets with needles in them. Some cool old poker chips, some tobacco tin, all these cool comic books, old Mad comic books. And then this one's really cool. This is like a toy catalog from the 50s. So you've got all these like trains you can buy, and you can order off the catalog here. Yeah, there's some super cool stuff in here. Oh, I like that one, American Flyer, $22.50. But yeah, that's from 1953. And then we also got some old cowbells, some Kodak, looks like lens thing, old Ronald McDonald toy. And what I'm super excited about is Christmas stuff. Got some old light clips, the original packaging. And then this holiday light, still in the original box, and with the lights still in it. That look super cool. You know what? Let's test these out, see if they actually work. Ah, bummer. So everything you see on the table here that we got the Saugus swap meet, I paid about 40 bucks for, which I'm pretty sure I doubled my money. Hey guys, sorry for interrupting. I forgot to put in the eBay comps or the completed listings, which I am gonna do right above here, so you guys can see all the completed listings right above here. Sorry. And I'm also gonna put right over here our potential return on investment right over here. All right, sorry, back to the video. Alone just with these cars, and I haven't looked up all this stuff yet. I mean, I don't know how much this stuff's worth, but I know this is worth something, and this, especially during the holidays coming up. And I know this is probably about $20 to $30 right there. So yeah, I'm almost positive I doubled my money alone just by those two things right there. But yeah, I spent 40 bucks at the Saugus swap meet, and I think I came out pretty good. Oh, and one more thing. Inside this box, it's not actually a microscope, but it has all these doll stands, which are metal. So I don't know how much this would be worth, but like I said, I mean, I probably would separate it, take it out of the box, and then sell this separate. But yeah, I think I might have some money in here, and then the box I think is worth something as well. But yeah, I think we did pretty well. I think a other highlight that we got is this tobacco tin that you saw us purchase. I want to say for like 75 cents, which is super cool. I mean, it has a little defect in the front, but I still think I can fetch about 10 bucks for this. And I want to say the best thing we found was this cool vintage Christmas stuff. I mean, I love old Christmas stuff. Just everything about Christmas. I love Christmas. But thanks for watching our video and coming along on this journey with us at the swap meet. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.